Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is an apple roll. It's super delicious, sweet, and very easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need some cottage cheese, which I use 100 grams, then 100 grams of soft butter, a bit of salt, and mix it all together. Then add 140 grams of flour. Then start mixing it with your hands. Then let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then let's do and cut the apples. 400 grams of apples, cut them into fourths and take out the seeds and peel them. Then let's grate them. After, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix it all. Now let's add 130 grams of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now let's mix it all together. When the time is up, the cake mixture in half, and now let's form the cake. I roll it out into a rectangle and add the apple filling. Now let's roll it. Use your hands or your towel, and these ingredients will give you 2 rolls. Then crack an egg and mix it. Let's paint the egg on top of the rolls. And now send it to the oven in 150 or 70 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. And when they're done, let them cool down and you can try them out. They're super delicious and easy to make, but also you can decorate them with some powdered sugar. And this is the result. If you like this recipe, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.